Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
BacklinkMaker review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this garbage software called BacklinkMaker. So this is the BacklinkMaker review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is only for 2 minutes long, I guess. Yes, so we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page it says world's #1 most powerful backlink creator platform at a low one-time price, award-winning cloud-based app gets you an unlimited real HQ Web 3.0 sites, backlinks, and free this and that. I'm done with the sales page, okay? I'm not in the mood. This is very below my level of work, so I will just pass on to the sales page, stuff like that. Because in this video, I am only going to say, do not buy this. This is not something which you need. This is coming from scammers. This is garbage. This is pathetic. This is nonsensical. And these are the questions, so don't pay any attention. My review is almost done. Okay, these people are scammers. You can see the faces, recognize the names, recognize the faces. Spare me this burden. Okay, so if you come here, let's see the proofs. Go to the profile of the vendor on Varia Plus, and let's see how many products they have launched. 18 so far. Rating is 1.9. It says I don't like it. So 1.9 stars out of 5, which means they are doing something bad. And every single product which they launch is supposed to make money for you. Now, the only thing I would say is, if you want to know anything about backlinks, rankings, search engine optimization, SEO, this and that, go to this website, which is my own website called dridainfotech.com. You can see the spelling at the top. And then you will have the homepage. On homepage, you will, you can read everything about SEO. But if you want to learn about backlinks, go to services, and then you will find all these links. Okay, backlinking, do follow high PR, do follow backlinks. So go and read all these articles. Get some knowledge in your head about backlinks before you start jumping off the couch, or maybe out of the couch. Come on, guys, give me a break. There's no bloody software which will generate backlinks for you. If some software will generate some backlinks, they will be low quality, no follow, spammy backlinks will spam your website and ruin your rankings, okay? That is why I am not going to talk a lot on this. You need information, go to this website, read everything here, know what backlinks are before you pick up the iron rod from the middle of the street, which is damn hot. When you are picking up the iron rod, you need to check if it is hot or cold. Yeah, check the temperature before you touch it. Or you people are used to take flying arrow in your butt, aren't you? You are. That's why you buy this garbage. And this video, I will try to keep it very, very short. Possibly I'm done here. Let's talk about the demo video. So I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video somewhere here. Go below my YouTube video, click on show more, find the link that says watch BacklinkMaker demo here. Watch the video. Click on the link, then come to this demo video. Watch the video. Do not take action. Don't take action. Don't buy this. If you buy this, then you will lose your money. Okay. So let's see what we have in the demo video. So this is backlink generator. Generator, as in generator, means generator for electricity. These are the backlinks which you will be generating, and just get a good life, I would say. I'm done actually. I'm not in the mood. So this is a demo video. I will leave the link below my video. Go and check what is happening here. You are creating some images, awesome nightlife. Yeah, they can rip you off. They can scam you. They can take your money, and then they can go and fuck chicks in the clubs. That is the nightlife, which is awesome. Because you have money, you have nice cars, then you will get the girls in the miniskirt. Won't you? You will, of course, I'm pretty sure, in any country, okay? So money plus money gets you honey. If you're a dude, if you're a babe, then babe, you get the dude. Anyway, so there's nothing to talk about in this garbage software mag. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm literally done. Don't buy. That's all I have to say. I will not go through any of this. And in the end, if you don't know about backlinks, go through these blogs. Okay, but if you want to make a money on the internet, making a money is not some software. Okay, come out of your miserable thinking that you will buy some software and that software will make money for you. Breathe. Breathe. There's no software which will make money for you. These people will come and rip you off again and again. If you buy this, you will lose money because there will be some OTOs somewhere here. Where? Here. OTOs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Yeah, but you see here. So they will come and ask you to pay this, then this for what? I don't know. If you buy this, you deserve to lose money. Look at them, 2,000 sales. These cameras are doing something good. Oh yeah. Cool, man. 2,000 sales. It's a lot of sales for garbage software. That's a lot of money here. Looks like they have good friends. You know, you help me scam somebody else today, and I will help you scam somebody else tomorrow. That's what is happening. So every scammer is working together. You know, there is a group of scammers on Warrior Plus and on Facebook. They support each other. So I think I have explained all that many times in my videos. So let's not waste my breath on this. If you really want to make money on the internet, go below my YouTube video. It says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube for the rest of your life because there is no other way. What makes money is traffic. How to generate traffic is simply either come on YouTube, make YouTube videos. People will be watching your videos. When the people will be watching the videos, they will be watching some ads in your videos too, okay? So for that, you need to get your YouTube channel monetized. With the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. And I'm talking about getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. With the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will get them in 2 weeks only. And after that, once your YouTube channel is monetized, you simply have to come on YouTube, make videos, and then upload them. People will be watching the videos, and you will be making money without selling anything. You might have seen or not seen some ads in my YouTube video, but the moment you see some ads in my YouTube video, my videos make money for me. So that is why I do not sell something unnecessarily in my YouTube videos, because my YouTube channel is monetized and I make money without selling anything. And that is why I keep exposing these scammers every other day or every single day multiple times, okay? So if you are here to make money on the internet, be ready to work. Go and get this Traffic Jarvis, right? And once you click on this link, you will find one more method there, which is email marketing, because there are only two methods which will make money for you on the internet: email marketing plus YouTube. Nothing else is required. That's it, right? So in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute to this channel, then click on the super thanks button and leave your colorful question and comments. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that. These are technical requirements for you people. You have to click those buttons, not me. I cannot subscribe to my own channel, okay? So just go and click these two buttons. It's always free. In the end, wake up from your dreams, whatever time it is, afternoon, midnight, early morning, I don't know what time zone you are in. Wake up, it's never too late, and go and do whatever it takes. Come out of the madness that some software will make money for you. No, I beg you, from both my legs. I'm joining both my legs and begging right in front of you. Come out of this madness, okay? Just go and do whatever it takes. Go write if you can, go speak if you can, go scream if you can, and if you cannot do any of that, then stand with the person who's screaming for you. Thank you very much. Subscribe and like. It's free and mandatory. And now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.